What's going on, everybody? So this time I want to show you guys some of the techniques that I use to make this sign, and specifically the herringbone backer that's on here, all on my laser. So stick around. So here in Lightburn, I've gone ahead and I've already created this design in Illustrator, imported it in, and now I'm just getting rid of anything that I don't need to create this herringbone backer. So I'll go through, select that, group it, and kind of resize it because I made some changes as to what I wanted to do, and I actually made the sign bigger than what I had originally planned on. So now just going through, getting rid of the words, getting rid of the extra detail. So that way I basically have the herringbone pattern and then an internal rectangle that's going to be my cut line. So you can see two paths there. One path will be to create those lines, and the other path is going to be to actually cut it out. So that way the pattern is just a little bit bigger. So I did create an offset for the Z-axis on this. So you saw the bed actually lowers down before it goes. That's a technique called defocusing, and I'll throw a card up here that explains it a little bit more, but it helps make those lines thicker. So now that the pattern is done, I'm actually going to go back and now I will cut out this piece just inside the size of the pattern. So that way it's basically got like a full bleed edge to edge. It's showing that herringbone pattern. And now here comes the best part. Pop. Because the laser does leave these lines a little bit darker, I did decide to use a paintbrush and really get into the lines first and then come back and just use the roller to really get the big open areas and really even things out. So that's what you can see me doing here. It's just getting everything painted nice and even. On something like this, you could choose to use a sprayer, but where it's just one piece, I didn't feel like I wanted to get the sprayer out, make the mess, and have to clean it up when I'm just doing this one sign, one backer. And here you go with a little mini beauty shot in between process, and a shot of the laser doing its thing. For those of you that have not seen me do this before, I like to create templates for alignment. So it's going to cut all this out and then make a nice square for me to go and put it on. I use Rust-Oleum spray paint on pretty much everything I can. I hate having to paint things by hand, so yeah, here you go, quick shot of painting. And always a crowd pleaser, you have the glue up, using my super glue. And now you got your finished shots. Everything all done, tidied up, ready to head out to the customer. Well, thanks for hanging out and following along. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.